Different types of dals and pulses are called lentils. These dals are very healthy. Lentils can be eaten with rice, idli, etc. What is the process of cooking the dal? You wash the dals to clean them and then throw the water before cooking. Few dals like Rajma and Chole, which are filling, must be soaked overnight before cooking. Ayurveda expert Dr Dixa Bhavsar said that these dals must be soaked overnight in water and then cooked. The longer these dals are soaked, the better the benefits. Do you know the benefits? Let me tell you. These dals, if only washed and cooked, contain acids. These acids are called phytic acid. This acid prevents the body's ability to absorb minerals and nutrients, which is not beneficial to our health. It is better to soak lentils before cooking them as it helps to remove the phytic acid. If you eat soaked dal, it is easier to digest and your body can absorb the minerals and nutrients. Do you all know that most legumes cause bloating and gas? Hence, it is better to soak these lentils in water before eating so as to avoid bloating and gas. If these lentils are only washed and cooked, it takes longer and there are no health benefits. Hence, it is better to soak it overnight as it reduces cooking time and increases benefits. But remember, the water in which lentils like Rajma or Chole are soaked overnight should not be used in cooking as it has no benefit. And it contains chemicals. If this water is used while cooking, you will consume the chemicals in the water. Your body will not be able to absorb the minerals and it will also cause bloating and gas. This water can be used in plants and trees. While cooking these lentils, fresh water should be used. Every lentil and dal have different soaking times. Let me tell you the best time to soak your lentils. Whole dals such as masoor, tuwar and moong and urad dal take 8 to 12 hours to soak. Split dals take 6 to 8 hours to soak. Heavy legumes such as Rajma, Chole should be cooked after soaking for 12 to 18 hours. Dr. Bhavsar also mentioned that the ideal time to eat beans is around noon. As we are more active during this time and digestion is easier, it is not advisable to eat it in the night as it causes bloating. So please remember to eat beans in the noon. Now I have told you the benefits of soaking lentils. So remember to soak them before cooking and stay healthy.